Magandang hapon po ng May 5, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 5, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, May 5, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, May 5, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, May 5, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 5, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.